what we are looking at here is a Casablanca Stealth in Snow White. And this one was one of the 3 stealths that I recently essentially got for free on Facebook Marketplace. I got these 2 white ones, along with that Comfort Touch black one. And if I never mentioned already, this one's from 1995, the black one's from 1993, and the white one that's on the floor right now is from 1996. And this one is IntelliTouch. Start off with speed 1. And all 3 of these fans needed bearings, because all 3 of them had really, really noisy bearings. And then they also came with, I'm trying to find it, these 2 IntelliTouch controls right here. And because of some electrical box BS going on, they ended up cutting these, so they look kind of bad like that, but you don't see that once you have a cover plate on. Here's speed 2. So my original plan was to sell this one at some point, but I think what I'm going to end up doing, I actually want to install this in my grandparents' house somewhere, because they have 4 Harbor Breeze builders. I think they're called Classic Styles, installed in their house, and I just want to change them out with something more exciting. There's speed 3. I was thinking about doing this in the living room, and 4 Seasons in the kitchen, probably this one in one of the bedrooms, at Delta 2 right there. And yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do in their sunroom yet. And once I get all the fans changed out there, I will definitely show a video of it. But I really don't know when that's going to happen yet. There's speed 4. I think in no more than a month or 2, I'll have all those fans switched out. And here's speed 5. If you look closely, you can see the flywheel's a little bit warped, because you can see that right there is kind of moving up and down a little bit. But the fan doesn't shake at all, and that's always a good thing. And this is speed 6 right here. And I'll show spin down. The key to my grandparents' house with these fans is that they all have to be white, because white is really the only color that's really going to match, which is one of the reasons I chose this fan. And I also really love the design of the Stealth. And even though this fan is out of the 90s, it looks pretty modern for today, in my opinion. And I know a lot of other people think that as well. People have told me that. And it's got new bearings, so it's got a really long spin down. And there you have it. And that's all I have for this Casablanca Stealth.